So, guys, we're eating the quality food now. Buying some garlics, and definitely I'm going to make some kind of a medicine remedy that I use every day, which helps to control the cholesterol. It's something that what I watched before, so I need a lot of about more than 1 kg of garlic and ginger as well. So this is quality food in London, where we used to do shopping before when we used to live in London. Now that we've moved out of London, I do come here. I bought some nice mangoes. Very good price. How much did I pay? £18 for 12?
12.
Enggak tahu itu kau enggak sana enggak ya tahu shoppingnya tu. Woi, ejek medicine तुमको दाखवता हूँ. I will show you later. Meanwhile, shopping करे आता निकल चया किधे आते. Hey guys, you don't know what happened. I'm here in Quality Foods, and a lot of people, I don't know, the couple of these people of it just asked me, you look like Mika Singh. I don't know on what angle do I look like that, and what they, but it feels good when somebody just tries to make you feel like, oh, yeah, you are like a celebrity or what. I am not. I'm not even close to it. But yeah, why not take the glory of it? But I did say that I'm not. Definitely, I'm not. And now, when they come close to me, they will definitely know that I'm not. But you know what it is like when somebody goes, hey, you look like Tom Cruise. Yeah, you're not. Whatever, but still, I'm happy about that.
It's a big compliment, though.
Oh yeah, another somebody asked me, "Are you a DJ?" I don't know. Is there any DJ who looks like me? I don't know. But
Please comment if there is one.
if there is anyone, just please do say about that. I'll be happy about it to know.
Sorry.
All right, guys. So she's Deepa.
Hi.
I was passing by in Quality Foods. I just saw her, and she just turned up to say like I look like a Mika Singh,
Mika Singh.
which I'm
He's
not.
just missing the turban.
So, guys, it was nice. A very lovely woman. I'm pleased to hear that. What she commented on me made my day at Quality Food.
Beautiful couple.
Thank you. So, friends, we just finished our shopping. That's my empty trolley. We'll keep it back. Head now towards to see Malito, my friend. He's come from Goa. He had gone for his dad's yearly mass. Yeah, I'm going to go and see him. He's got something for me from back home. And then I take from there. So we reached Malito's house now. Hello! Hey, Marco! How are you, Mama?
Good, how are you?
Oh, my dear!
Hi, Rachel.
Hi! Hi, Rachel!
Hi,
Hey.
I go to a cut.
Hey, Malito! What's up, bro?
Nice to see you.
Good.
Yo, Baba Cassidy.
Hey, Chico! Hello!
What's up,
How are
bro?
you guys?
All good, all good?
Good.
Come.
Hi.
Hey, Nadia.
Nice meeting you, Baba. How are you?
Good.
What are you doing?
I'm going to make a quick drink for you guys.
What drink you making, Baba? What is she? You just came and said, how was Dada's mass, man?
Yeah, it was good, man. Yeah, it was nice to see how everyone came to, show some love and some support and everything.
So, for people who don't know, this is my very best friend, Malito. We've been together from childhood. We are both from Fonda.
A long time, yeah.
Yeah, it's been more than 2-3 decades. Yeah, almost. We're together, yeah.
Could be.
Yeah, recently, I had said earlier, Malito he had gone to Goa for his dad's yearly mass. He passed away.
Yeah.
He was a very gentleman, his dad. Very sporting, very young. But God's plans, we can change it. But anyways, wherever he is, we pray for his soul. He's going to be into a good place now.
Thank you.
But yes, now that we are here, Malito has just been back. I told Malito to get me some Karmicide. People who know from Goa, they know what is Karmicide, yeah. For my little ones.
Yeah.
Gripe water, basically, I guess, so in English, what they say.
Yeah.
So he bought me that. I've come to
Thanks
collect.
to Nigel.
Yeah, Nigel sent that one. Okay, so now Malito is doing some drinks. Let's see what it is and have a look for that. So this is the drink what Malito has made for me. Cheers. It's Malito's version of Pino Colada, but very nice. pretty much with the blender which we have made it.
You just got it from Goa.
Original mangoes from Goa.
Bajaj.
Mangoes, pineapple, but
Pineapple, bro.
No, I saw some mangoes also. Was that puree?
No, mangoes are there.
this is
You did
ghee.
not use mango.
That's ghee. Catch me, this is ghee.
Wow, this is-
This is why I got cut no yesterday.
No, it's not because of this.
These are the ghee. So it's same.
when the blender is Bajaj.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I thought he bought it from Goa, that one. I
This
don't-
we bought from Goa.
So the reason why I actually bought this mixer, we had a bigger mixer.
Yeah.
I wanted something a bit more silent.
Okay.
Okay, so I asked the shopkeeper what is a quieter mixer. So he said you need to buy a mixer with a lower watts.
Okay.
So normally the bigger blender we have, is a 750 watts.
Yeah.
So if you want a quieter mixer, you buy a smaller.
So, but this is going to blend you only like smoothies and stuff. You know what?
So what he said is you can blend cinnamon. So cinnamon is one of our most hardest spice, right? So then I take it as we do with the rest as well.
Let's see. I'll try the curry.
So it's been really quiet. Sit up, check it out. It's not that loud like a Yamaha engine, you know.
RX-100 anymore.
That's what Zico.
He's been friend of Malito, who I know him to as a friend as a Malito before.
The tallest
And
guy.
then the tallest guy. Yeah, he is tallest. I'm not going next to him because I'm very tall. So that's better half of Zico.
Hello. She's
Rachel,
my sister, yeah.
Malito, definitely I said that. Yeah, comment if they look alike, same.
Yeah. Same?
Yeah,
Maybe. We have the same voice.
humor is the same.
Please
I
do
can say
comment
that.
this information.
It's going to be a debate on that, and they're very good in this. So, yes.
Let's see public opinion. No?
Got
No.
the mango ghee. If you want to add. This is sent from Goa, Ponda. Wow.
Yes. This is
It's homemade.
This is homemade. So I believe in this.
Now my finger won't get cut anymore.
Yeah.
Thanks to this ghee.
Thanks to Sasumai sending this.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Mama sent it.
Flavia auntie.
Florida auntie, thank you.
Thank
Sasumai
you.
तुम्ही दाढी म्हणून
At least my finger.
बोट सांभाळले.
My sister.
My sister.
म्हणजे काचा बाबा. अरे पक्का She's the
बांगडे.
best to do that.
She will make one of the recipe. Okay, one day. आज बरे बांगडे उचलायचे सारखे. Joyce.
Please.
गाणा उतरेत. असं बांगडे आणि तिने बांगड्या कोडी आणि हे किती जायचं हे दाखव हे किती
कालवा.
कालवा सारखी
बडे शोयतो मी बाय.
दीपेट. Hey friends, now it's time to go back. My holidays are done at my sister's place. Joyce, thank you for everything.
Thank you, Joyce. Thank you
For having us. Sunny, thank you.
for coming.
And Joyce will come to our place. And Laishu, my superstar. And Sunny, thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, so guys, it was a really good fun. We had a nice barbecue. We celebrated Mom's birthday. She's been away from us this is a year and a half for her.
We still
She's
want to
in Europe.
stay, but we can't.
Yeah, we want to stay more, but yeah, there are works that we have to committed to and we have to go. So it's time to go back home and wait for another holiday until we come back again over here. So see you guys.
Now it's time to go to Cassie Mama's house.
Hey, Kashri Mama's house is going to come now.
3.
God bless you. Make you nice and big girl and a very good girl, okay? My angel also. Watch this. Keep this aside. When you take your blessing, don't hold this. God bless you. Make you nice and good girl.
Blessing.
Ansley.
Blessing, Ansley. Blessing.
Ansley, I'm getting told. God bless you, Baba. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Make it big boy. Big boy.
Sunny to left for Kisha.
Join your hands.
कैसे मामा
Holy stick. Let's see. Big girl. What is the big girl? Big girl. Here we are. We are heading back home now with this weather. It's raining heavily now at this point of time. We were really blessed and glorified at time when we were coming to London to celebrate Zinaya's first Holy Communion. The weather you might have seen is very nice sunny at that point of time. But now that we are going back, it's rainy. But not to complain a lot. It's UK. Can't expect more about it. But we had a really good time. Bonnie's communion that we celebrated. We had a good time at our sister's place. I spent it 2 days to their place. We had a barbecue done. There was mom's birthday that we celebrated with few family and friends coming together. And now that we are going back, it was very exciting to make this vlog. We were very happy. It's our first vlog, I guess, that we are doing it. And I can't be more expressing than to say how joyful we are to get connected to you guys. Just keep us in your prayers and blessings so that we can make good things. Do comment if we need to do something about this. Is there any changes that we want to do? We'll always take it in a positive way. And always be connected. We love you all. And till we do the next vlog, our final words with my family. Until we meet again, adios.